choices that prepare you to receive it. And if there's one ingredient that turns ordinary effort into extraordinary achievement, is one word. Anybody can guess what that one word is? It could be anybody else. Perseverance. Say with me, perseverance. Alright, story time. Once upon a time, in the green lush hills of St. Anne was a little boy named Big Boy. So Big Boy had a difficulty. He did not understand. He did not like spelling. He did not like math. He did not like social study. Big Boy just liked to play with his friends. So Miss Brown, who was a teacher, decided that on Fridays, when you guys get spelling tests on Friday? Right, so on Friday, no, Miss Brown said, students, we're going to do a spelling test, so you need to go home and you're going to look up the words. Right? And she says, because you've been so good, it's only one word I want you guys to learn the meaning of. So Big Boy never remember nothing, because all in a Big Boy in a one. Ramping, right? So on the day of the exam now, so Miss Brown did the papers and said, okay guys, we are going to define the word perseverance. Perseverance. So Big Boy said, perseverance. So he move over to Mike and he said, Mike. So he look if Miss Brown see, So he said, Mike, what is perseverance? Mike whisper something in him eye. So Miss Brown come back in the class and straight up, quick, no. So Big Boy start to write. 1 page, and I write 2 page, 3 page. You must put a bit and ask Miss Brown if she can get some more paper. Miss Brown shocking up, but I remember said Big Boy only have one part in head. So she is quite surprised and intrigued. What is he writing on the paper? On page 4, and he writes, he must sweating, flick up, sweat out my forehead. 6, 7, 8, 9. This girl said, no man, what is happening? Page 10. She said, papers down. She said, the people them go to the word of cash. This girl, where people are like, and the paper, So she sent them out and they went out and she started to read what Big Boy among the people. What do you think what's the meaning of perseverance? Anybody here know what the meaning of perseverance? Page 1. To go on and on and on. Page 2 to go on and on and on. Page 3 to go on and galang. 4, 5, 6. I am go on and Grace 10. Galang. That is the meaning of perseverance. When you feel like you want to quit, you continue to go on and when you can't go on, you do what? You